Hello children. Hello. Good morning. Good morning children. Yeah, very good morning. You have to be louder when you meet your teacher. Yes or no? Yes, good morning children. Yes, good morning. Now tell me beta, you had your breakfast in the morning? Yes. What about you beta? Yes. Now you beta? Yes. Did you drink milk beta? The other day your mama was complaining that you are not drinking milk. So you need to drink milk every day, okay? Do everybody are drinking water or no? Everybody are drinking water, children? Yes, you need to drink more water also. Okay, children? Now, children, yesterday what did we learn, children, yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? We learned about the transport, right? We learned about transport. Now the vehicles that we use to travel from one place to another is known as transport. Yes or no children? Yes. So how many types of transport we have learned yesterday? How many types children? We have learned three, right? Three types of transport. Land transport, water transport, and then air transport. Yes or no? Have we learned or no? Yes, we have learned. Yes or no? Yes, we have learned. Now, name the vehicles, children, which move on land. Yes, bus, auto, bike, scooter, van. Right. So, all these vehicles will run on land. Yes or no? How will it run, children? With the help of wheels. So today we are going to learn about water transport and air transport. Okay, children? Are you all ready to hear me? Are you all ready to hear? Yes or no? You all are ready to hear? Now look at your teacher. Look at your teacher. Now I am going to ask you few questions. You need to answer me. Have you seen the river, children? You have seen beta. Where did you see? Oh, while going to city. Yeah, where? In the Tanford Road. Oh, there you have seen the lake, the river. Did you see the sea? No. The sea is very far away from us. We cannot see. But we see the water, right? On the river. Where can you see the water? On the river, on the lakes, right? Yes. Now, let us learn about water transport. Okay, children? Yes or no? Shall we learn? Yes. Now, see this, children. Which picture is this? Yes, these are water transport vehicles. See here, ship sails on seas. Some ship picture. Where will it sail, children? It will sail on the big rivers. Submarine. Where can you see the submarine? It is also moves underwater. Okay, children? And see here, what is this? This is yacht. Yacht is a very light boat. Okay, children? Now see, this is boat. Do you see the fisherman? What will the fisherman do in the river? He will start fishing, right? So how will he start fishing in the river? He will sail on the boat. Yes? And then he will start fishing. Yes or no? So this is boat. The boat sails on the rivers also and on the ponds also and on the lakes also. So these vehicles are known as water transport. Do you know, children? Water transport is the cheapest transport. Okay, children? It is very cheapest transport. Okay. This also will carry goods and people from one place to another. Okay, children? Everybody got it? So everybody came to know about water transport? Yes. The vehicles which run on water is known as water vehicles. Okay, children? Okay. Now next we will learn about air transport. Look up in the air. Everybody look up in the air. Now name the vehicles which run on the air. Which vehicles will move on the air? They will not run. They will move on the air. Yes. Now you tell me, beta, which vehicle did you see there? Oh, aeroplane. You also saw, beta? No, you have seen the helicopter, right? Now see. Now Now see children, what is this? Aeroplane. Where will it move? It will move in the air. And which picture is this? This is helicopter. This is helicopter. Okay children? So where can you see this one? You can see in the air. So these vehicles also carry people and goods from one place to another. Okay children? Now listen to me carefully, everybody. Now suppose if you want to go to far away places, right? For a far vacation, in the vacation, you want to go far away places. That is from Hyderabad to Chennai. You want to reach very fast. You want to save the time also. So and you have to spend more money also. So which transport will you choose, children? Yeah, you will choose air transport, right? You will go by plane and you will reach very fast. Yes or no? So this is the fastest means of transport. So, okay children, and it is very costly also. Very costly transport also. Okay children? So got it children? Now name the vehicles which move in the air. Yes, helicopter and plane. Got it children? Understood children? Everybody understood the concept? Yes. Now look at the board children. Shall we revise about the transport? Yes. Now say everybody, we use different vehicles to different places. Yes or no? Right? Yes. Then vehicles can travel on land, water, and in air. Yes or no? Yes. Where do the trains move? Trains move on tracks. Okay, children? Yes. Now, shall us revise children, everybody? Now, look here, everybody. We use different vehicles to different places. Yes or no? Vehicles can travel on land, water, and in air. Trains move on tracks. Now, children, do you all know, children, when did the first train started in our India? No. So, the first train started in Mumbai in the year 1853. Okay, children? So, this point you have to keep it in your mind. So, tomorrow when you come to school, you need to paste the pictures of water transport and air transport in the scrapbook and show it to your teacher and your friends. Okay children? So how many means of transport did we learn children today? How many means of transport? 2. Yes or no? One is water transport and air transport. Okay children? Okay, got it? Thank you ma. Thank you children. Bye.